Looking for a powerful gaming PC that doesn't take up your entire desk? Mini PCs in 2026 deliver serious performance in a compact size, perfect for gaming, work, and entertainment. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best gaming mini PCs of 2026, ranked by performance, features, and value. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's jump straight in. Number 1. GMKtec K11 Gaming Mini PC, Best Overall. Taking the top spot is the GMKtec K11, powered by the AMD Ryzen 9 8945HS processor with 8 cores and speeds up to 5.2 GHz. It comes with 32GB DDR5 RAM and a large 1TB SSD, delivering flagship-level performance. It also features Oculink support for external GPU upgrades, dual 2.5 GBE LAN, HDMI, DisplayPort, and dual USB 4 ports, making it one of the most powerful mini PCs available for gaming and professional workloads. This machine handles heavy gaming, streaming, and multitasking effortlessly. Pros: Ryzen 9 flagship performance, 32GB DDR5 high-speed memory, external GPU support, Oculink, excellent connectivity options, future-proof performance. Cons: premium price, may require external GPU for ultra AAA gaming. The most powerful and future-proof gaming mini PC in 2026. Number 2. GMKtec K8 Plus Gaming Mini PC. The GMKtec K8 Plus features the Ryzen 7 8845HS processor with speeds up to 5.1 GHz, 32GB DDR5 RAM, and a large 1TB SSD. It delivers excellent gaming performance and handles demanding applications with ease. Pros: excellent CPU performance, 32GB DDR5 RAM, large 1TB storage, fast connectivity options, great for gaming and multitasking. Cons: slightly expensive, integrated graphics limits extreme gaming. Top-tier performance with strong gaming capability at a lower cost than the K11. Number 3. GMKtec M7 Ultra Gaming Mini PC. The GMKtec M7 Ultra comes with a Ryzen 7 Pro 6850U processor, 32GB DDR5 RAM, and a 512GB PCIe SSD. It features Oculink support, dual USB 4 ports, HDMI 2.1, and dual 2.5G LAN. This mini PC offers strong gaming performance and excellent connectivity for both work and entertainment. Pros: high-speed 32GB DDR5 RAM, external GPU support, excellent connectivity options, reliable gaming performance. Cons: storage could be larger, higher price range. A powerful and flexible mini PC for gamers and professionals. Number 4. ACEMAGICIAN Kron Mini K1. The ACEMAGICIAN Kron Mini K1 runs on the Ryzen 7 7730U processor with 16GB RAM and 512GB SSD. It supports triple 4K displays and Wi-Fi 6 connectivity. It's suitable for light to moderate gaming, office work, and everyday use with solid performance. Pros: strong Ryzen 7 processor, good multitasking performance, Wi-Fi 6 support, balanced price and performance. Cons: limited graphics performance, not ideal for heavy gaming. A solid mid-range mini PC with great everyday performance. Number 5. KAMRUI Pinova V1 Mini PC, Best Budget. The KAMRUI Pinova V1 features a Ryzen 5 4300U processor, 16GB RAM, and 256GB SSD. It supports triple 4K displays and multiple connectivity options. It's best for casual gaming, emulation, and daily tasks rather than demanding games. Pros: budget-friendly price, compact design, energy efficient, good for casual gaming. Cons: limited gaming power, small storage, not for AAA games. A great entry-level mini PC for beginners and light gaming. So that was our list of the top 5 best gaming mini PCs in 2026. If you want maximum power, go with the GMKtec K11.
For value and performance balance, the K8 Plus is a great choice, while budget users can choose the KAMRUI Pinova V1 Mini PC. Check the product links in the description below and let us know in the comments which one you liked the most. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.